My name is Joe McFerrin, and I serve as the president and CEO of Portland OIC and the Rosemary Anderson High School. And our services are focused on high school kids who have had barriers to getting their high school diploma and achieving their academic goals. And we use a wraparound approach to help them get on a path towards success and self-sufficiency.
Like I said before, I'm here and I work for you, okay? The workforce programs, take full advantage of those.
The culinary program that Portland OIC and the Rosemary Anderson High School have created has two primary purposes. Number one, we want to help teach our young people how to eat healthy meals and how to prepare healthy meals on a shoestring budget. Unfortunately, low-income families tend to not eat as healthy as they could. And so the purpose of the culinary program, number one, is to do that. And number two is to provide work experience. And so our trainees will be paid as a part of their experience, and it will be something that they can put on their resume and help launch them as they get into the world of work.